Yeah, so we kicked off with My Boy Lollipop, done by Millie Small, 1964. The original Barbie Gay, 1956. And then we hit you with the Dusty Springfield, 1969 Breakfast in Bed, followed up with the Lorna Bennett. Produced by Harry J, 1972.
The late Harry J. And Harry J had this groundbreaking recording facility on Roosevelt Avenue, just above the stadium. But to go back to the songs, again, International Women's Month, and we want to salute the ladies, the contribution to the music. Millie Small basically kicked down the door with that rendition of Barbie Gay's original. And that record, if I remember correctly, got sold over, 7 million copies worldwide.
Yep.
And literally took the charts by storm, both in the United Kingdom, the United States of America, which we struggled as a country during that 1960s period to get music into North America. But again, Millie took the thing by storm and, established herself as a pop artist.
She toured the entire world.
Absolutely. Australia, New Zealand. That song was, I think it was #1 in Australia and New Zealand, one of those two countries. But it was a top 10 charter on the British charts, and it simply dominated. And it really said to the world that this little piece of place down in the Caribbean is not a place to take lightly in terms of its, our ability to contribute to the music. In fact, at that time, that song, today a lot of Jamaican selectors play that as within them with their cassettes, but it really wasn't a ska tune. It was more, in England, it was classified as a pop song.
Right.
Whereas, on the other side of the hemisphere, it was more what we call an up-tempo blues tune. And but regardless, the fact is that it did phenomenally well, and it literally essayed Jamaica's entry. Not that we had artists certainly 10 years prior to that were knocking on the door in England, but when Millie Small put this one out, it really kicked down the door. Lorna Bennett, again, a nice rendition of Dusty Springfield's Breakfast in Bed. Lorna Bennett went on not a big career, would you say, Garth, in the music business?
No, she's been in the music business for a while. She left and went back to her original profession.
She's an attorney at law, if I remember.
She's also the mother of Protégé, reggae singer. Incidentally, too, Millie Small also did a cover version of a Jamaican original, Sugar Dandy, and I want to introduce that to you. Sugar Dandy, Millie Small, and I'll play the Jiving Juniors featuring that's her song. What was? I know it's Derek Harriott, and I forget what the other guy's song was. Her song's brother, Herman's song. Yes, but Sugar Dandy, Millie Small.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yawdmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.